Hello, thank you for watching the video. So tried this product here for ants in our kitchen, and this has worked very well. 3 days and we don't have any signs of ants anymore. I want to go over how to use this. This is Terro liquid ant baits, and you get 12 bait stations. I've got some still out here. Probably will leave them out until, well, there's no more ants, so I could probably take them away. But yeah, I had 3 on the countertop. But here's what one looks like. And you can see the gel in there. And here is the tab that you break off. They say that you can snap off tab. I had a difficult time doing that. You're supposed to like twist it. Let me see if we can do that now. But and I can't. So I use scissors. You want to make sure that you hold it up like this so that it's all down here instead of, you know, going to spill out when you open it. It's pretty much common sense. Just cut your tab off here like that. All right, now this is going to come out, so be careful. You can, what I did is, first of all, let me just say that you want to make sure that your countertops are cleaned at this time. Of course, leaving food out on the table, especially sweet food, is what's going to attract them and keep them around. So clean all that stuff up. Make sure your dishes and the sink are cleaned, if you can do that as well, before putting these bait stations out. All right, so what I did was, once I had cleaned up, I took a bait station where I saw the most ants, and I just placed it right in front of their trail, or right in front of them. Some may come out when you lay it down. If not, let some come out, or I did. Okay, like that right there, even bigger. You may be able to do more splots all over the place, whatever you prefer. But then they will be attracted to this, and they'll even crawl inside the bait station. So it is worker ants that you're going to be seeing on the counter or wherever you see them, and they will take this, they'll eat it themselves, and they'll take some of it back to the colony and to the nest and kill, I guess, the queen or those in the colony. That's kind of the concept, at least that's what they're saying back here. You can read this for yourself. But it makes perfect sense, and it says that you need to you need to put these out about 3 months after, to make sure they don't come back. So once all the ants are gone, in my case like 3 days, about 3 months from now, put some more stations out. I'm guessing you put them out even if you don't see any ants. All right, another thing to cover is you want to find where they're coming in at. In our case, this window, one of these windows, they were coming in. So I went outside and took a bait station and put it on the windowsill here, and I'm sure that I didn't actually see them on the windowsill because they were all inside the house. But that's where I pretty much tracked them at one point. I couldn't find another place that they were coming in at. Looked underneath here, make sure they weren't coming in, from the ground level. But yeah, I'm pretty sure it was here. So that all worked out pretty well for me. So anyway, I wanted to share this with you. Let me also show you how to clean this stuff up. And before cleaning up, I want to show you that the active ingredient in this is borax, and you can actually make this product as well, and I'll show you how to do that in just a second here. But as far as pets or children, I don't see anything here. Obviously, you don't want them eating this stuff or putting it in their mouth if you have little kids. Or keep out of the reach of children. So yeah, but the main ingredient here is going to be this this borax stuff. All right, so cleaning up. All right, so we're going to put some more around here. I'll show you how to clean this up. Really easy. I'll show you what not to do and what to do. What not to do first is try to clean up with a dry paper towel. It's just going to be a huge mess. Actually, it's not so bad, but if it sat for a day, it would be even stickier than this. That's not going to, it looks like it may be doing the job, but it's still going to be sticky on the surface. So what I did After a day or so, if you do this, it's going to be so stuck on the countertop, the Terro borax stuff, that your paper towel is just going to tear if you try to wipe it. So this is still really sticky. So just use water and a paper towel or a cloth, because it is that gooey. It's almost like syrup, you know. So that's how to clean it up. I see how it stops there. I'm going to have to go over this with water. So anyway, yeah, if you wanted to make your own, you could get some borax. You can see here. I think I got this at the grocery store. I've had it for a long time. You can use this in laundry and just cleaning, that kind of thing. Yeah, it's a white powder, 20 mule team. Borax does not contain phosphates or chlorine. Yeah, many uses here. Let me show you what you would mix it with. You can mix it with syrup. I'll tell you what would really be good is like that Terro clear syrup. That stuff would work out really well, I think, and it probably would look very close to what the Terro is. So anything really sticky that's going to attract them would be what to use. You could even use some honey. I may have to experiment, but what you do is cut out little pieces like the size of a business card that they can easily crawl on. You can use plastic or aluminum foil, and then you mix up the borax and the syrup to a kind of a consistency like you saw here, just a thick. I kind of almost made almost a paste when I used it before at another location. But it doesn't have to be. It can be liquid like this. It may even be better being liquid like this. And I'm not kidding. If you had like a puddle of the stuff with the borax in it, they would just like feed off the end of it and just eat off the end of it. And you'd just see a circle of ants around there eating off of it. And that worked really well for me as well. So anyway, 2 ways to do it. You got 12 of these. And I also want to say, I used these last year, so this stuff is a year old. Still worked very good again this year. Or make your own. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.